Hello and welcome back. I am Arumba. Thank you for joining me. Let's play some more Factorio, a rocket per patron. By the way, I haven't checked on this and it's been a while, so I should. Let's see how many patrons, how many rockets we're going to be launching. How many named rockets? 1,059. It's a lot. It's a lot of rockets. We've launched 0 so far. But Angel's Petrochem certainly did make things a little bit more complicated, and it's gonna get done soon. All right, so I looked this thing up here. We got some things over here. We got residual gas, right? It's used in these things. We can take, it's a product of all this stuff, right? So we get it from this crap. This mod, the what's it used for, literally shows what's it used for. It doesn't actually show like what can it be used for, which would be a super thing to have. Ingredient in, it's nice, but like you can't click around anyway, whatever. So we're gonna make synthesis gas. Apparently we've had this recipe for a while, I think, probably. Synthesis gas. I can't find it. It's in here. It does exist. It's a thing. There it is. Synthesis gas. It's made in a Angel's machine that all looks the same. Mixed with purified water, which we have. We have purified water right here. So we just need to find that machine again. Synthesis gas in a machine that's got the 3 little circular things. One of these guys, the steam crackers. Okay. Let's go ahead and make like, I don't know, 4. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this synthesis gas, which is a product of that recipe, and then we're going to use it as an ingredient in apparently a bunch of different things. We can use this synthesis gas to make methanol directly, naphtha directly, but I'm just going to skip all that and go for methanation, methane gas, ethane gas, butane gas. Even though I don't know how to use the butane, I want the methane and the ethane, so let's make that. We'll continue to end up with a huge surplus of butane, whatever. So yeah, that's going to be the plan. We're going to take those machines, which hopefully the robots haven't just all stolen from me. Good, okay. We're going to line up on the opposite side of this one, I guess, because this is where the water is. We're going to go like here. We're going to do synthesis gas. I'm going to grab some pipes. You'll notice that I did update my toolbar a little bit. I did not shift lock that one. Also, we want to be requesting some of that pipe. So I'm getting pretty low. Let's do, have robots build this for me. So, we've lined up the water with the second tier, so we'll go like that. And then let's just blueprint it for now. Actually, we can build most of this out. Okay, we'll hook up our water. Don't really want to wait for the robots to come build it. I'll just use Picker to build it. Okay, and then let's hook up our combined residual gas output thing over here. So those will now run non-stop, making nothing but pure synthesis gas, which is great. The synthesis... words, man. Synthesis gas we're going to use in... synthesis gas catalytic methanation. So we need synthesis gas, hydrogen gas, and then the blue metal catalysts, which is part of the reason why I want to do this. We have blue metal catalysts that come up right by here anyway. I'll probably have to tweak some of the circuit network conditions to make sure that these have the blue metal catalysts that they need. But wherever the hell that recipe just went, that. And then I need hydrogen, which is very easy to make, I think. So these are made in a Angel's machine with a little white guy on top. It's the these ones, the advanced chemical plants. I can practically make advanced chemical plants too. Holy crap, lots of stuff is getting destroyed. 30 objects getting destroyed. 22 objects were destroyed. Looks like sniper turrets, lights, and big electric poles. So no lasers. This is an older section of wall where they're probably completely out of ammo. Well, I do happen to have some ammo on me, so we could go around the perimeter real quick. I left my car behind somewhere. Yeah, it was probably this. And as expected, the robots keep on trying to repair this and failing miserably because they don't have the ability to put ammo in. Okay, let's pull up our perimeter wall. Look at that, I actually have some lasers on me. It's already starting to make some. Not much, but some. Okay, so we've got that area covered. It's within construction range. Eventually they'll come up here and do that. This area I would also like to get automatically upgraded here at some point. I don't think that they're going to automatically replace this for me. Ooh, that was bad. These are lasers, but this is like the previous version of laser wall that I was doing. And I think that the electrical lines are too close. Let's put some backup big poles to make sure that if any of these get cut, that this northern section doesn't lose power. Let's cut these. And let's replace this whole section with good walls. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, just so that there's still room for me to maybe drive my car through there. And actually, let's, I think normally 4 is a good size, but maybe I'll start making these 6 wide. And then because it's kind of like an angle, we'll kind of go like that instead. Now I can drive out that way, but then that's kind of in the way, isn't it? Seems unlikely I'm going to be driving my car this way, but you never know. Tell you what, let's just not do any of that. Let's just move the whole damn thing over here. And we will stick with a 6 wide thing. Okay, so they should replace those soon. And, well, soon? Maybe not. I don't know. We go focus on this now that we're no longer having things exploded everywhere. Military 3 is complete. That gives me the ability to make a rifle with aluminum plate. Cool. Shooting speed is 2.8 apparently, 600% damage bonus. And a sniper rifle, which is much slower, 0.7, but with a 2,400% and 50% more range. How does that compare to the... Oh, well, I prefer probably to make like a laser rifle or something, but how does that compare to the submachine gun? 21 shots per second with the submachine gun range of 15. Let's build a sniper rifle. Hope that it doesn't require special ammo. Okay, so this stuff was almost ready to run. Can we put ammo in there? Yep. It works. Cool. Okay, so our synthesis gas comes out, and we're going to put in the way. I don't like it when stuff goes in the toolbar at this point in the game. If it's just like random stuff I don't normally need, I don't want it down here. So let's just say one of each of the chests. I want active providers on there too. I can control click all that stuff out of my main inventory. Laser rifle. Okay, so can't do this because we need gem processing. Guess we're gonna do gem processing. Something else is being destroyed, naturally. We didn't put lights down. Okay, don't really want to spend steel to upgrade the walls. I'd rather just make more stone walls, because stone is cheap and steel is not. Steel requires more processing anyway. It's more energy. What am I looking for? I'm looking for those weird things that I just made. These steam advanced chemical plants. Okay, so we're doing this. And we're doing methanation. We're making meth. It's a meth lab. Synthesis gas, catalytic methanation of methane gas, ethane gas, butane gas. Go. So we need two fluid inputs and then one belt input. And we've got them nearby. It's actually way up there that these things were already going, but these are the same size machine? Nice. Now let's see if maybe we can utilize this same series of electrical lines. Meth. And unfortunately, because of the... Wait. It's got double inputs. Nice. I can line it up different. Cool. Stop wah-ing at me. It's only a couple more. I'll just build it by hand. I said stop making that noise. No more making that noise. Actually doesn't really kind of work out having the electrical lines there, does it? Okay, so there's our synthesis gas. Got our gem processing. Let's make laser turret Mark IIs. Nice. Yes, please. Turrets, guns. Okay, on the output side, we're going to want to hook this all in up to, I believe, these. Yeah. Well, we got to get at least one round of processing in to make sure I'm not going to try to identify what the hell these damn pipes are. I can't recognize those symbols well enough to know the difference between them. I mean, there's like, what? 3 little white bits, more, and then even more? Is that how you tell them apart? Is that the only difference? Most bits, less bits, least bits? Okay. Least bits goes to there. So you're gonna go to there. Look at that, I actually figured it out. Holy crap. Okay, that's good. Done. Next is these other ones. Which was the medium amount of bits. And then lastly, we've got the interior bits. This is actually kind of beautiful. Kind of. In a, you know, crazy spaghetti-ass mess kind of way. But it's kind of cool how it just... That's kind of cool. I like that. Okay, so those are all lined up properly. One of the outputs, though, we need an input for the catalytic... The catalyst, the blue metal catalyst, and an output for the actual thing. So we need now an input belt and an output belt. So input, output, input, output, input, output. Inputs stop there, outputs go here. Double the length of the arm that is the output belt. Okay, and then we need power. I should switch. These lights should be... I use lights most often when I'm doing the smaller range pulls. So let's put the other guy in that category, the upgrade builder. Really, I'd prefer for the upgrade builder to be with these other ones, because I do use it fairly often. It's fine. Laser turrets. Look at that, I can actually research laser turrets Mark III. I think. Yeah, I can. Holy crap. Okay, so that lets those reach across now to here. And power everything. Unfortunately, the lights don't quite fit. So let's rotate them and put them on the bottom instead. Okay, there's an input of those things, which are actually right here and can feed back in. Let's take this whole thing underground. This can now merge back in down here. I don't think that these actually need to be very fast. Look at this, I'm crafting regular splitters. This is weird. Need more logistic requester slots, I think. Okay, so I'll have to go figure out why the logistic, what the hell the logistic network conditions are to make that thing or not, but the final product then is the hydrogen gas. Let's get that done. Hydrogen gas is easy, I think. Hydro, it's like a byproduct from all kinds of crap. It's easy to get. We can do purified water electrolysis to make 6 hydrogen. We get hydrogen as a byproduct of the, no, it's a recipe. It's a ingredient in hydrogen chloride. I'm looking at the top area. Synthesis gas separation, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Huh. Well, I got some synthesis gas right over here. I'm just saying, it's right there. We could take, like, some of the synthesis gas. God damn it. Seriously? 3 walls. Okay, I thought that said 30 walls were destroyed. Okay, where was I? I can't focus. This is why they freaking drive me nuts. So, do I want carbon monoxide? Just make it right here as a byproduct and then use it for the next part. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be turned into coal directly. I mean, it's not bad. Coal gets turned into oil. It's a virtuous cycle, right? I'm going to say yes. We want to try making some of this stuff. And it's made in the same type of machine. So let's check ratios then. I swear to God. Oh my God, I'm going to... Okay, you want 4 hydrogen every 4 seconds with a crafting speed of 1.5. So each machine wants 1.5 hydrogen per second. Times 4 machines that I've built is 6 hydrogen per second. If I were to create... I swear to God, I am going to murder everything. Everything and everyone is going to die. Of course. You know, this would be cool is if there was a button where, kind of like with the picker mod, where you pick the item that your cursor's over. You know, if I don't have any, this is what it does. It goes, no advanced item. Okay, great. Well, what if I press a different button and then that instructs my character model to craft it? Why, Roomba, that's such a great idea. I agree. I'm gonna ask Nextlaw. Okay. So, can we rotate this in some way? I mean, now that we have multiple locations where coal is coming from, so I'm kind of tempted to turn some power stuff back on. Some actual boilers and all that stuff. Okay, so... I think this machine should really be over on this side. We just grab a little bit of this gas. And then we'll take the hydrogen to here. There's your hydrogen output. So how much hydrogen do we get? We get 6 every 2 seconds with a crafting speed of 1.5. So you're making 4.5, and we wanted 6. So this one machine supports 3 of these machines. The question is, I guess I should have started at the very beginning. How many of these machines can we support with this? We have, for all intents and purposes right now, infinite residual gas. So let's just say we're making 15 synthesis gas every 4 seconds with a crafting speed of 1.5. So we're making 5.625, and I have 4 of these machines, so that's 22.5 synthesis gas per second. And you're consuming 10 synthesis gas every 4 seconds with a crafting speed of 1.5. Times 4 machines, that's 15. So I've got a surplus then. I'm only using 2/3 of my capacity. So it should be 4 to 6 is the correct ratio. Let's make a few more of these. I'm wondering if maybe I can squeeze this water around elsewhere. I'm gonna have to, because it just makes too much sense. Right? I had... one of these machines can support 3, so I just end up... Wait, shit. My math gets off because this guy's going to consume some of the residual... some of the synthesis... Bleh. I can't say that word. You were consuming 10 every 2 seconds, crafting speed of 1.5. So you're taking up 7.5 of the synthesis gas. Got like 4 different calculators open on my other screen right now. This is why I need to just use a damn spreadsheet and figure this crap out off screen. Okay, so 7 point... God damn noise! There's just... You know what it is? I'm gonna murder everyone. I'm gonna go get a flamethrower. Flamethrower. I'm gonna set the whole goddamn factory on fire. You know what it is? It's the same shit. It always is. It's just some fucking ranged spitter shooting at my wall and all the bullets are gone. And that goddamn noise just goes on and on and on and it just never fucking stops. Which one I bet? It's just one dirty little... It's like he finally blew up his wall and then moved forward. I swear to God. Do I have any lasers? These are lasers! For crying out loud, why aren't you murdering him? Is this where the wall was even destroyed? Maybe I'm at the wrong place. Have I mentioned before that I'm pretty interested, I think, in getting the picker mod back again? Sorry, not the picker mod, the, what's it called? Handy Hands. I stopped using it a while ago because when I was playing with Stejo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the performance would start to suffer. But we're not playing with Stejo anymore, so maybe we should just, oh, I don't know, not deal with this nonsense. Sniper turrets. Sniper turret damage upgrade. I'd rather just have sniper turret 3s, but sure, the damage upgrade's cool. I mean, what's the point, honestly? I mean, I like the concept of the gun is kind of cool, but the sniper turrets already have a damage bonus of plus 40% times 15. And a damage bonus of 40% times 20. So times 20, that's the same thing as 2000%. That's basically what this thing does, but I can only shoot every 0.7 seconds. And these turrets already shoot about every 0.5. Yeah, no. I mean, it was an interesting thought process, right? Or an interesting idea to make one of those, but I'd rather just not have a gun. It was neat. It's fun. I mean, I could shoot rocks. That'd be fun. That'd be about as fun as it would be to have to deal with bad guys. What I should do is I should get these. The gun? The gun of primary importance, which is the Sniper Turret Mark II, right now, should be on the same line as my deconstruction planner. So let's not do the steel chest. Let's put the Sniper Turret Mark II here. Clear this slot and put, I don't want the Sniper Turret Mark I anymore. Let's do, logistic warehouse. Logistic passive provider. And then the regular warehouse, I guess, for now. I don't know. I bet, I mean, if I have to imagine that the comment section really enjoys when I get stupid frustrated about this kind of stuff, don't you? Or maybe not. I don't know. Wait a minute. Why isn't my deconstruction planner? Oh, that is it. Apparently, it's just not there. That's why it's not yellow. Can I just delete that sound? Yep, so they fly from up here, and then they all get murdered. This is probably what's been driving me crazy. They're trying so hard, poor little guys, trying to replace these turrets and not being smart enough to put any ammo in them. That's brilliant. All right, we're gonna create a new wall. We're gonna make the fighters pay for it. This new wall is gonna go here. It is going to be an extension of this area. This wall is no longer needed. And I will not stop until the noises are over. There's a 4 thick wall on the south, which is probably unnecessary. Sorry, robots, I'm stealing your gerb. Taking your job. It's my job now. You're doing a bad job. They actually set my stuff on fire. Alright, and then over to here. Checking construction range. Yeah, eventually, if I build it, they will come. About that distance there, apparently. I would prefer if I could maybe make a layout where the wall edge can just like be blueprinted. That'd be so convenient. I don't know. I'm gonna tinker with it a little bit. I'm gonna maybe put down a blueprint outside of construction range so that I can tinker with this thing out here and see if I can create one that rotates well. So, okay, cool. I'm gonna put in a cut here. I'll be back same time, same place later on. As always, thank you for watching. Apparently, there's a fissure down here, by the way. But yeah, I'm still not done with the synthesis gas, which we got onto. I don't even know how. I'm so lost. I'm like Hal in Malcolm in the Middle. I'm just working on project after project. But hey, research is getting done. The factory's making iron. Good things are happening, right? We got reason to celebrate. Let's make bullets, even though I'm not going to use them. Anyway, I'll see you again in the next episode. See you soon.